Hey guys, we're now here at the Huawei booth where we checked out the Huawei Matebook X Pro, and it's just incredible. It's a laptop with a 14-inch 3K touchscreen inside a 12-inch laptop's body. This is made possible because Huawei reduced the size of the bezels, but of course it comes with a tiny compromise. Because there's no space for the camera on top of the screen, it is now incorporated into the keyboard, which you can easily access with a touch of a button. While this is cool, the angle may not be so flattering. We've already talked about its size, and now let's talk about its weight. It's only 1.33 kilograms, making it incredibly portable and easy to carry around. For the internals, I'll pass you on to Jamie.
Hey guys, Jamie here again. We're at the Huawei booth giving the Huawei Matebook X Pro a little visit. It's rocking the latest Intel Coffee Lake processors, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 512 gigabytes of SSD storage. Now you also have a discrete graphics card, the GeForce MX 150. Again, we're just giving you a quick look at the device. There's an in-depth article which we'll link in the description down below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell for all the latest news coming out of Mobile World Congress 2018. Stay tuned to unbox.ph.
We've already talked about its size, and now let's talk about its weight. It's only 133 kilograms.